Fun.
Always.
Don't poison me.
Who said you're having any? You just drank all the milk.
Oh, fucking my milk.
Okay, we want to play that game? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I, unfortunately, am not blessed with an island like everyone else. I have a very small kitchen and it's very hard for me to film in. So I'm improvising and I brought my dining room table to the door. I've made myself an island so that I can kind of look professional. You got what you got, haven't you? I wanted to do a cooking video because I like to cook. So I found the 3-minute, what's it called? What's it classed as? 3-minute mug cakes 4 ways on the Tasty app. If you haven't got the app, honestly, get it. I could sit there for hours just watching the recipes. But I thought I would test all 4 and see which one's the best flavour. Honestly, I have no idea how hard it was to get the ingredients at this time because everyone apparently is a baker, and it literally took me about 5 shops to find flour and vanilla, which happens to be in every single one of these recipes. So if you do want to recreate, I hope you've already got it, because otherwise you might have to wait a month. The 4 flavours I will be creating is the chocolate mug cake, the cookies and cream mug cake, the birthday cake mug cake, and the strawberries and cream mug cake. So the first one is the chocolate mug cake. Also, it didn't say what kind of flour to have, it just said flour. So I just got plain flour. Don't know if it was meant to be all purpose, plain, self-raising, who knows, but I've gone for plain. It seems very big. Like, I never know. 1, 2. I hope this doesn't rise much because 3. Oh, I've got flour everywhere. Flour. 4. I also purposely went to Poundland to get cups, can't speak today, cups for this video, because the ones that I have are like massive mugs and like you barely can see the cake. I wanted a little one so it proper looked like a cake. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Oh crap, sugar. Oh, it's got all coffee in it. I'm just gonna take it straight to the bag. 1, 2, 3. That looks very sweet for this very tiny cup. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I could not find cocoa powder, so I thought hot chocolate is basically the same thing. And it's only one recipe that needed this, so I'm sure it's fine. I am not gonna have enough for my space in my little cup. Oh. I'm starting to think I should have mixed it in a bowl and then poured it. Okay, if you have tiny cups like me, it's going to be impossible to mix in them with after all the ingredients. So I would advise you to do it in a bowl and then put it into the cup. 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Again, it didn't say which oil to use. Man! I got it. Then I mix it all. Again, this seems very... Hold on, I'll show you once. It just doesn't seem right. The measurements just don't seem right. Like, this is very powdery. Like, I feel like it needs more milk or something. Then I put the chocolate spread in the middle of the batter. And it says microwave on high for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Watching to make sure it doesn't spill over. Now, I'm going to wait. I'm going to, like, crate them all and then cook them all, so that one doesn't go cold, you know what I mean? Theirs looks a lot runnier than mine. Mine looks a lot thicker. Number 1. Done. Next one is the cookies and cream. 1, 2. Smash it. I'm pretty sure I'm just making everything harder for myself. Alright, mine's chunky. 3. The concentration is real right now. So next one is the birthday cake mug cake. This one that seems like it's going to be very, very sweet. Especially if I've got to do 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Have I got something in my head? The other milk? Ew, milk and oil mixed together is disgusting. This one's a lot more runnier than the others. But then again, I had to add more liquid, didn't I? Gordon Ramsay would definitely moan at my presentation right now. I hope everyone can see how serious I am actually taking this. I know some people just talk about and they're like, oh, I'm going to use this and I'm going to use that. But no, I actually take it very seriously. I actually want it to taste good. You know, I'm not just doing this. take it very seriously. That was the nicest batter, by the way. And then the final one is this. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna have to chop up the strawberries. Am I gonna? Itchy. Yeah, 2 strawberries diced. I do love the strawberry though. We've got to taste the food first. No, no. Oh, that's really slippery. So nothing better than like strawberries dipped in sugar. Mate, heaven. Oh, there might have just been enough of that. And that's just almost spoiled it. Okay, yeah, so all of them say to do it from like 90 to 2 minutes depending. So, I guess I should open the one I first made, which was chocolate one. So, put it in on high, power level high, time 90 seconds. Should we start from that? Mine's a 700 watt. The marks are too small. I purposely bought them for that. Dad! They're too small. They can't handle it. No! Bastards. Well, how did they make it like a little cappuccino one? Lies, mate. As you can see, it's didn't go so well. I'm going to put a picture here so that you can see the cup that they used. Mine's technically bigger than theirs. What a nightmare.
My balloon.
It was! It just exploded everywhere!
No, not cake, you.
Yep. Okay, next one. 90. Stop. I've got to keep an eye on it unless it's going to explode everywhere. Almost got the sprinkles everywhere. Jeez and Louise. Daddy always says you should clean up as you go along. That way, it leaves less mess for you at the end. You know when it says, watch it so it doesn't go over? We've got another explosion! Oh! I was looking forward to that birthday cake one as well. When an instruction says, watch the microwave so it doesn't spill over, just watch the microwave, mate. Otherwise, I've had 2 explosions. Half my cake's gone. Alright, now I am going to watch you like a hawk. That one would have been an explosion. So definitely keep an eye. Oh. Okay. Filming this part on my phone. But, they don't look the prettiest, do they? I mean, can't judge a book by its cover. Taste test. But, I don't know. Are they cooked? Don't even know if they're cooked. Alright, I guess I'll do the taste test. I really don't want to, I'll be honest with you. They don't look appetizers, they just don't look tasty. But I tried really hard. That's the worst thing. Sam doesn't even want to try them. I'm going with the first one I made, which was the chocolate cake one. This is very, very stodgy. I don't know if you see, but it's just very stodgy. This is the one that obviously flopped the first time. Oh, I don't think it's cooked. It's so chewy. Why is it so chewy? It's like it wanted to be a brownie, but failed. It's a no from me on that one. Oh, I feel sick just eating that. A cookie one. Okay, this actually, don't know if you can see, it's like breaking up like a cake. This one so far, and from visual, looks the most like a cake. That looks like a cake. This one's definitely cooked. I'll be honest with you. Doesn't have much flavour. Doesn't taste like the cookies, like the biscuits. Doesn't taste like an Oreo. Definitely need cream with it. I can see why they added cream or icing. You definitely need something like that. So it might be nice with some ice cream. But I'm gonna put it as a win because it actually does have the consistency of a cake. The good old full birthday cake. Which Sam said, oh no, this one definitely just isn't cooked. Look at it, it's still raw. But I put it in, I even put this one in for longer Put it in for 2 minutes, and I don't know if it's because it exploded everywhere or what, but it's literally just cake mix. And like I expected, it's very, very sweet. But this one's definitely a fail. How much longer am I meant to put in it? I might as well just made a cake. I feel really sick. Oh, okay, the last one. The strawberry one, which I'm hoping will be nice. Boom. Strawberry was very hot. Bring tears to my eyes. No. They're all very sickly sweet. It's just not working. And I put them in for the max what it said to do, but it's just, they're just not cooking. This time, for these mug cakes, it's a fail for me. Will not recommend. If you've got your own adaptation or you think, I don't know, is it because it's American? Because I know you Americans, right? No offense. You do like things on the sweeter side. I've got to have dinner now. Probably should have done this after dinner. Yeah, so overall, would not recommend. Not one of them was even worth finishing. Let's just say that. You know when you get something you're like, oh my god, and you just have to eat it all in one? Yeah, none of these gave me that feeling. So I just feel sick. So unless you have a massive, massive sweet tooth, and I mean huge, I would not recommend any of these at all.
Or a fan of gooey bit.
Quick update, because I've made Sam have them. He actually liked the first one. That he says it's kind of like a fudge brownie. The chocolate one, which I first messed up. The others agreed wasn't right and too sickly sweet. But he actually liked the brownie one.
It does taste like diabetes.
Yeah. But if you do have a recipe that actually works, can you let me know in the comments below? Or did I do something wrong? I don't think I did. I thought I was following it really well actually. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I shall see you next time. Bye. Ugh. Oh, too old for this.